Hey guys, this is Sari off of Killer Ace Productions, and I'm just gonna give a sweet jump, like it's about a foot. It's gonna be kicking. Okay? 1 second, let me. Ready? Oh yeah, there's a dead bird! There's a dead bird! Oh yeah, there's a dead bird.
Poor little guy.
Stick.
Poor little
Come on,
guy.
guys, we gotta help it. We gotta help it. Look at its mouth. Ew! I will eat you. This is really gross. Ew, look at the ants.
Oh, don't poke it.
There's ants all over it.
Oh, don't poke it.
Oh my god, I just poked its eye. Well, what used to be its eye. You want some feathers? Here you go, take some.
Ah. Leave the birdie alone.
It's so soft. Oh my gosh, its neck's disconnected from its body. That's disgusting.
Ah!
Okay, well, this is our video. Thanks. Bye.